What? No demo, and what? No pedal. Yeah, today we're looking at the iKey Audio GT3 portable guitar and instrument recorder. This is a recording device that allows you to input jacks into the top of it and basically record whatever's coming into it. It is a fairly useful piece of kit, hamstrung by some really annoying design decisions, which I will go through. Got a input and output on the top here. These are stereo jacks, so we can actually input stereo jacks in and out of these, which is kind of cool. We've got the ability to turn this into a tuner, which is also kind of cool. We have the ability to change the format, so this will do MP3s and it will also do a WAV file at really high quality. We have the ability to make it mono or stereo. The issue with this button is that it's various different key clicks get different types of settings, which is something I really can't stand. We've got play, record, and stop. We've got a little click wheel here, similar to like an iPod, which is kind of cool. On the side here, we've got the output level, so we can set the level that's coming out of the top. We have a mix, and what's kind of cool about this is that we can play a track and then we can record a track whilst playing a track, which is kind of neat. The USB to PC. I don't remember if this actually sends data out of it or literally it's just to record. We've got an input gain, so we can change what our input gain is that's coming in. Power switch, 5-volt battery, which is 5-volt input, which is really annoying because it means if you put this on a guitar board, you have to work out some way of making it 5 volts. It has 4 AA batteries in the back of this and it eats them like it's lunch. SD card on the bottom and the ability to put a little stand in, which is kind of cool. As a device, it's not too bad. The only problem is hamstrung by one, this click wheel is quite a good idea. However, the screen is tiny, so it's quite nifty to be able to shift through a track. The issue is that like you don't have the best controls in the world, and it feels a bit like those old Zune like multi-effects pedal things that are just really complicated to use, and that's kind of similar to this. Just the navigation of it is just a bit janky. The screen is janky as well, so when you've got light on it, you cannot see what is going on this screen. It's not particularly bright. It doesn't have any kind of brightness setting in it at all. And also, they did that wonderful thing they did in the 2000s where they coated everything in this nasty sticky plastic that's now degrading and it's starting to melt. Horrible. Have you seen one of these before? Or have you got a device yourself that's from the 2000s that you're like, oh my god, this is atrocious? Hit in the comments below. I'd love to check those out. If you like these videos, please hit a thumbs up, and if you really like these videos, hit a subscribe because I put these out weekly, and I'll see you next one. Bye.